Hello everyone, welcome to Biotech Notebook. In this video we are going to see classification of bacteria based on temperature, pH and salinity. Okay, so first let's see classification of bacteria based on temperature. Okay, so bacteria can be classified into 5 groups based on their optimal growth temperature. Okay, that is the temperature at which it can grow. First one is hyperthermophiles. So hypothermophile bacteria can grow at 80 degrees centigrade to 113 degrees centigrade. They can grow at extreme temperatures. Okay, so they found in hot springs, hydrothermal vents and other extremely hot environments. Okay, they can grow at extreme hot temperatures. So example for hyperthermophiles are Sulfolobus pyrococcus. Then second one is thermophiles. So these bacteria grow at 45 to 80 degrees centigrade. These thermophilic bacteria found in hot spring, compost piles and other warm locations. Okay, example for thermophiles are Thermus aquaticus, Bacillus stereothermophiles. Third one is mesophiles. Mesophiles grow at moderate temperature, that is 20 to 45 degrees. These are the largest group of bacteria. Most human pathogens are mesophiles. Example for mesophilic bacteria is E. coli. The next one is psychrotrophs. These psychrotrope bacteria can grow around 0 degree centigrade, but it also prefers mesophilic temperature, that is 20 to 30 degree centigrade. Okay, then these psychrotrophs can grow at refrigeration temperature. Okay, so it easily spoil the food which we kept in a refrigerator. Example for psychrotrophs are Listeria, Pseudomonas fluorescens. So the last one is psychrophiles. It can grow at extreme cold temperature, that is 0 degree centigrade to 20 degree centigrade. So these bacteria are known as cold loving bacteria, and these are found in polar regions, glaciers, deep oceans and deep sea environments. Okay, example Phycobacter immobilis, which can grow at -10 to -30 degree centigrade. Next, let's see classification of bacteria based on pH. Okay, so based on bacteria's pH growth preferences, it can be classified into 3 types. Okay, that is acidophiles, neutrophiles, alkalophiles. Okay, so as we know that pH 7 is known as neutral pH and below 7 is known as acidic pH, that is 0 to 6.9, and above 7 till 14 is known as alkali pH or basic pH. Okay, so based on this pH cell we can classify bacteria into 3 types. The first one is acidophiles. So acidophilic bacteria can grow at a pH range from 0 to 5.5. Example Sulfolobus cyanidum caldarium, and these bacteria found at volcanic areas, geysers, acid mine drainages and some animal stomach. Okay, then neutrophils. The pH range of neutrophilic bacteria are 6.5 to 8. Okay, 6.5 to 8. An example is E. coli, Staphylococci. Then third one is alkalophiles. Alkalophilic bacteria can grow at the pH range 8 to 11.5. Example for alkalophiles are Bacillus alkalophilus, then Natronobacterium. Okay, you can find these alkalophiles at alkaline lakes and soils. Next one is classification of bacteria based on salt requirement and salt tolerance. Okay, based on salt requirement we can classify bacteria into 2 types. One is halophiles and second one is non-halophiles. Okay, so halophiles are salt loving bacteria which can grow in the presence of salt, that is sodium chloride. Okay, example halobacterium. Then the second one is non-halophiles. Okay, these bacteria can grow in the absence of salt. Okay, so non-halophiles are negatively impacted by high salt concentration, that is high salt concentration inhibit the growth of non-halophiles. Okay, so these bacteria won't grow at the high salt concentration. Example E. coli, Bacillus subtilis. Okay, so these bacteria are highly sensitive to salts, so these are known as salt sensible bacteria or non-halophiles. Then based upon salt tolerant we can classify bacteria into three types: slight halophiles, moderate halophiles, and extreme halophiles. Slight halophile bacteria can grow at moderate cell concentration, typically between 1 to 3%. Okay, so it can tolerate very less concentration of salts. Example, Erythrobacter flavus. Then second one is moderate halophiles. So okay, these bacteria grow in moderately salty environment, typically with the salt concentration ranging from 5% to 20%. Okay, example, Marinococcus. Then third one is extreme halophiles. Okay, so these extreme halophiles are salt loving bacteria. Okay, it can grow in high salt concentration of 15% to 30%. Example, Halobacterium salinarium, Haloferox mediterranei, Haloarcula marismorei. Okay, this Haloarcula marismorei you can found at Dead Sea. So these extreme halophiles you can found at Soda Lakes, which is in California, known as Mono Lakes. Okay, then these moderate halophiles are found at saline lakes, marine saltons, bottom of the sea, and even in oil brine fields. Okay, then the slightly halophilic bacteria are found at mud on the ocean floor, sea water, and even in garden soil. Okay, then in the next video we will see classification of bacteria based on the nutrient requirement. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.